Good morning, guys. I am in Barcelona right now, and today is starting here. It's gonna go to Frankfurt, then Denver, then Utah. It's gonna be a super long day. But I have about an hour and a half here in Barcelona before I have to go to the airport. And I'm not just gonna sit here in my hotel room and sleep.
Seize the day.
I didn't sleep the entire night, I just worked all night. I can sleep on the plane. I wanna see at least one thing in Barcelona because we just got here late last night and we leave today. So there's a giant cathedral. It's La Familia Sangria, I think it's what it's called. I'm gonna go there, check out this temple, show you guys, see something in Barcelona, and then probably have to run back here and then hurry and get ready, pick up Zach from Jerry Rig Everything, and we're gonna hit the road. Zach's smart, he's sleeping right now. I gotta see this place. Oh, it's so cool looking. Okay. Guys, I feel like Devin Supertramp did a video here before. I like looking at the building, it reminds me of when Devin did a video where it was like these bikers that were like spinning around and stuff. That's kind of what it looks like. Enough talk, here's some epic shots of this castle place. Castle, church, temple, whatever it is. So I asked somebody that was running that looked like a tourist that was getting their own picture, and he took a picture for me. So here's the two pictures that I just took, so I have proof that I came here. It's so interesting because the facade, I need to do a little research on this. Maybe you guys have been here and you can tell me a little bit more. But the facade is super, super old. The front, this backside right here. And then you come around and it's like beautiful new stone right there. Okay, I just came around on the other side. It's even cooler over here. It looks like the front. It really does look like it's the front of it. Like that other one must have been the back, but this has a giant opening with all these statues. And then you look up higher and it has a bunch of words on there. Well, let me show you what I'm talking about. Some kind of event is going on. Maybe it's just like a Sunday event type thing, but whatever it is, I ain't got no time to sit here and look at it.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Time to jog, unless we find another taxi. One small mistake. I honestly do not even know what our hotel is called. See it? It's right there. Almanac. Breakfast. Let's see here. Choices. That's not breakfast, Zach. Stay away.
Oh my gosh.
Stay
I told
away.
you we're adults, we can eat sugar for breakfast if you want.
Zach, you just ate breakfast. You don't need to eat more sweets.
Look at this. It's like a one blueberry freaking muffin right here. It's like a bite-sized.
Did you work out today?
No.
All right, so we're heading out right now. Mercedes is gonna see if they have a shuttle for us.
A few moments later.
And today we're flying back. Something that I get to do that I've never done in my life, and I've wanted to do. This is serious. Like I flew a lot when I was a little kid, and we always flew on 747s. And one thing that I've always wanted to do is ride in the bubble on top of the 747. And today I'm riding in business class all the way from Frankfurt to Denver in the bubble.
Nice work.
That's cool.
Yeah.
I'm excited for that. I love 747s. They're like the coolest airplanes to me when I was a kid. They just look so big with that pump on the top. It's 10 in the morning here. We're gonna fly all day long. Zach is on a Delta flight. I'm on Lufthansa. So once we get to the airport, it's sayonara. All right, we just made it to Frankfurt, Germany. and we're late, and our gate is 66, so our flight is about to leave. Like, we have like 10 minutes or so. So I need to navigate this thing and try to find 66 super fast. 7 over there.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
And here we are 12 hours later. Yes, I slept for 11 hours. Now we have the flight we need to go get to. I'm curious to see the plane. I don't know if my lifelong dream of riding in the bubble of a 747 is gonna happen today because I don't know what type of plane that we're gonna be on with this United flight. But either way, we're heading home. Rather than sleeping on the plane the entire time, I'll probably get to watch some movies. So let's let the adventure begin. Let's see if we can make it back to the US, make it back to Chicago, I guess, and then hopefully we can make the connecting flight home and see the family. Because I'm home for about 5 hours, and then head to San Francisco on Tuesday morning. So let's see if this day continues and if we can make it a great day. I got some presents for the girls. I got Claire a bunny because she's like obsessed with bunnies right now. So she'll think that's really cute. And then London's just kind of an interesting person that loves cool, colorful things. So I got this video game Barbie with roller skates, which is very interesting. She dresses like London dresses, so I think it's like the perfect fit. So now to figure out how to get it in my suitcase, I had a little breakfast, and now it's time to get on the plane. It's just a small plane, it's not that big, but hopefully they have some movies because I'm not very tired, and it's gonna be like a 10-hour flight of just sitting there. So yeah, off to Chicago we go. So we got this super weird setup in business class here where it's like 4 seats in the middle, all side to side to side. I mean, they do lay down, they're kind of weird. And then the other row is sitting backwards. I don't know how I feel about that, like if you were writing all the way there and you had to sit backwards, but like, so look, we got our seat right here, all these TVs, and then they're backwards. It's kind of strange. Yeah, not quite Delta business class, but oh well, it's better than sitting in economy. Fun fact for you, there's a movie called Dumb and Dumber. When I was 14 years old, it came out. It was one of my favorite movies at the time. And most of it was filmed in Salt Lake City, Utah. And there's one scene in particular that's very vital to the entire movie. It's at the beginning, and he takes a girl to the airport. Swanson, Swammy, whatever her last name is.
Starts with an S. So Swammy, Slippy, Slappy, Slimmin, Simmon, Swanson?
And she drops her Samsonite briefcase on the ground. He runs in and grabs it and takes it. That ends up being like the entire rest of the movie is around that briefcase. Well, right down here on the ground is the Earth. See the check-in for the airport right there, security. There's a big old thing in the tile that's all the Earth. That's where the briefcase was dropped, right there on the Earth. And then he went and ran and slid. So next time you watch that movie, go back and check that out and you will recognize it and be like, yeah, that's right, Salt Lake Airport. Hey girls. Hey, I'm home. Hey. Good to see you. Yay! Yay, whoa, you're strong. Hey, oh, both of you. Okay, let go, let in the arts.
Thank you! Where did you get this?
In Germany. I got this for Claire. It's a bunny. It's a baby bunny.
Cute! Cotton. His name's Cotton.
Oh, that's a good name. No wonder it's soft. Cotton soft. All right, that's the end of this very, very long vlog traveling across the world. That was fun. London's looking at the screen on the other side because I'm filming this on my phone like I did for most of this vlog. But stay tuned for tomorrow because we're going to San Francisco and Alaska in the same day. So we've got some really good travel vlogs. And let us know if you like the travel vlogs, because it is fun sharing kind of what our days are like when we travel. But she's looking at it. She loves looking at it. But I want to make sure that you guys like it too. If you want us to just not do vlogs and just do other stuff, that's fine too. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. And it's good to be home with all these girls.
One.